How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode we have a new product. We have these new LEDs, and we're gonna try these ones on a 2008 Ford Ranger. Company sent me this from Amazon, and the company is AUXITO. You can see right there in the box. They sent me these new 9007 LEDs. These ones they don't have fan, so this is fanless. This is 6000K high and low beam LEDs. I'm gonna put them on the truck. I'm gonna show you in this episode how to remove your headlights, how to put these new LEDs, and we're gonna try it as soon as it gets dark. I know they're really good, and like I said, this is a high and low beam LED. On the power saving, this is 20 watt LED against the 55 watt on the regular bulbs, and they last up to 30,000 hours compared to the 4,000 hours that the regular bulb is gonna give you. So let's go to the truck, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the headlights and put the new bulbs in it. And to remove the headlight is really simple. On these Ford Rangers, you have two clips, one in here and one in here. Pull it up on both, and then you can remove the headlight. It has a little clip right here. Just try to pull it up so you can remove your whole assembly. Now that we have the assembly out of the car, we can remove the stock headlight bulb. You have the color, move it out of the way, and then you can just push the headlight bulb out. This is the new LED bulb, and comparing the two of them against the original, you have the light in the same position than the original. So to do the installation on this one, you have to turn the color all the way and then pull it out. First, you're gonna put the color in the headlight assembly, and then you're gonna put the LED bulb, turn it 180 degrees clockwise, and then plug it in, and that's all it takes to do the installation. And if you need to turn the bulb, you have a little screw right here. You can lose that screw, and you can turn the whole LED in case that you need to aim the light the right way. But the way it is right now, we're just gonna put it in, turn it 180 degrees, and the installation should be done. Another cool thing about this is, like I said before, fanless. The heat dissipation is really good. No fan required on this one. And this is 4,500 lumens, 6,000K white LED. AUXITO sent me this for free to try it out. So link is gonna be in the description if you wanna go to Amazon and purchase this 9007 for your Ford Ranger. Right here we have the headlight assembly. I'm gonna put the color in the truck first. Once you have it in the right location, which is right there, I'm gonna put the color. The original one is gonna be like that, and then you can put your LED bulb. You're gonna turn the LED bulb 180 degrees, and your installation is done. Really easy to do, and inside we have the LED in the same position than the regular bulb. And that's all it takes to do the installation, guys. Really easy. First your color, then the LED, and then you can secure everything with the stock color from the headlight. Now let's go ahead and put everything back on it. You have to make sure that the screws, that one right there, this one right here, and one on the bottom, they go straight, so the headlight is gonna be right in place. And if you can see, the back of the headlight is in place, is not on the way, everything lined up really good. So let me go ahead and turn on the lights so we can see the difference between the LED and the regular one, and we're gonna try the high and low beam. You see that, guys? You see the difference between the light output? Regular LED, super bright. You can see how direct the light on the LED is. You can see it right there against the regular one, which is just, you can see just dissipation on the light, and that one is more direct. So I like it already. So let me go ahead and try the high beam. You see the high beam, how direct is the new one, and that's the regular. So this 9007 is high and low beam, and you can see the difference right there. There you have it. They look really bright and white. These new LEDs, they're amazing. So let me go ahead and repeat the same process on the driver's side. Yeah. Oh, guys, these things are crazy. See that? Boom. That's how you install 9007 LED light on a 2008 Ford Ranger, which, you know, is really easy to do. But the light output compared from this to the regular is night and day, guys. Let me go ahead and turn the brights on. Boom. You're not gonna have any problems down the road. If it's really dark, you're gonna be able to see everything with these new LEDs. So tell me what you think, guys, about this new installation, and if you have any questions, just please comment down below. A shout out to AUXITO on Amazon. These things look amazing. They're really bright. I'm really happy about this, and I think it took me more time to do the episode than do the installation itself. It's really easy to change these lights. Okay, guys, so that's it for this episode. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.
Thanks.